Hi, I'm Miss Chris, and Christmas might be over, but it is still winter, so I'm going to show you how to make some very cool woven snowflakes to decorate your house with. They are very simple and only have two supplies: paper and hot glue. So you don't have to run out and buy anything special. You probably have what you need at home already. And it's just about having patience and being willing to either tape things down or be able to hold a couple things at the same time. So follow along. It is simpler than it looks. The base of the snowflake is made with a simple over-under basket weave. Start by folding two of the paper strips in half to find the middle. Place one with the fold down and then put two more strips on each side. Then take the other strip that you folded and place it on top of the middle paper and alternate the remaining four so that the next ones are over and the last ones are under the crosswise strip. Next, slide in another strip going across that so it alternates going under and over the vertical strips opposite of how the original horizontal strip was placed. Place another horizontal strip below with an opposite weave pattern to the strip above it. The fourth strip is placed above the original horizontal strip, following the same opposite weave pattern. Weave in the fifth and final strip, again working opposite of the strip before it. Now we're going to make the points. Take the two strips from the corner and then one from each side and then bring them together into a point overlapping so that the one on the bottom remains on the bottom. Adding a dot of hot glue to the corner and holding it until it sets. Repeat this with the second strips from the corner and then continue around to each corner. The third/middle strip will be left untouched. You're now going to make a second one of these 4 pointed stars. Once both are made, place one so that the woven part is on the table and the rounds are facing up, and then sandwich it with the other one so that the rounds are facing down. Make sure that they are opposite the halves so that the middle unused strips on the bottom match up with the rounds on top. Take the unused strip and thread it through the rounds, then add a dot of hot glue to the point of the outer round and attach it to the end of the strip. Add a hot glue to the point of the second round and then glue that one to the strip slightly below the first. Repeat this process around your snowflake for all 8 points.